No rich parents, no secret trust fund, no lottery win, just me, figuring out how to build real wealth from zero. If you're broke, overwhelmed, or just late to the money game, this video is your playbook. Let's be real. Most of us didn't grow up with money. We weren't handed the keys to wealth, credit, or even basic financial literacy. But the truth is, you don't need a lucky break to build real wealth, you need a system. This isn't a get-rich-quick video. This is about building financial freedom brick by brick with a playbook that works even if you're starting with nothing. First things first, delete the idea that money is only for the lucky or privileged. Your mindset is your foundation. If you think wealth isn't for you, your habits will prove you right. Start by believing this. Money isn't magic, it's a skill. And like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. Financial freedom is not about how much you make, it's about what you keep, what you build, and what you leverage. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money goes. Most people are leaking cash every single day without realizing it. Here's what to do. Track every dollar for 30 days, no excuses. Cut emotional spending. Identify your fixed costs versus your flex money. Then build a simple rule. 50, 30, 20, or bare bones, plus is investment focused. You don't need a 10K income to start saving. You just need control. Once your cash flow is under control, the next move is income stacking. Start with your main job. Can you negotiate a raise? Upskill and shift roles? Add a side hustle. Freelance. Content creation, resell, tutor, Uber. Whatever aligns with your time and skills. Long-term play. Build passive income. Think digital products, rental property, or dividends. Don't wait 10 years to start thinking about passive income. Start building seeds now, even tiny ones. High-interest debt is wealth in reverse. If you've got credit card debt, payday loans, or personal loans, focus on this. Use the debt avalanche method, highest interest rate first. Or if you need quick wins, use the snowball method. Build your credit score while paying down debt. Get a secured card, make on-time payments, and don't max out limits. A solid credit score equals better rates, more leverage, faster growth. Now here's where the real freedom kicks in investing. You don't need thousands. You just need consistency. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Start with index funds or target date retirement funds. Automate it. Even 20-week adds up fast. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts. The earlier you start, the easier the game becomes because compound interest does the heavy lifting. Savings are great, but savings alone don't build wealth. Wealth comes from owning things that grow in value. Stocks, real estate, a small business, your own skills, education, and yes, that's an asset too. Every dollar you save or invest should be a soldier working for your future. You don't need luck. You don't need a rich family. You need a mindset, a game plan, and the discipline to stay in the game. You are capable of building real wealth no matter where you start. This is your self-made money playbook. Start today and stay consistent.